The Vilna program was very interesting just because it's as close as I've been to an immersive Yiddish program. We have students from all over the world, or who are speaking English, but also Yiddish, a higher proportion of Yiddish as the common language than I've had elsewhere, and that was something that was a very I might want to do it again at some point, because there's a lot of ways in which I was stupid in college, in my college years, that I feel like I have a little more perspective now. I didn't allow myself to enjoy Lithuania as a country. I felt a real antipathy towards it. I was blindsided by the omnipresence of the Holocaust there, because my family had left before the Holocaust, and the first 2 weeks you're there, you're making all these trips. You're making a trip to Ponar, to these or you get a tour of the Vilna ghetto. You hear stories about this, the sliver of Jewish community that's left in the city now, and the fact that they don't always have the easiest time, about persistent kind of anti-Semitism, and it's just like I want it to be like I'm here to study Yiddish. I'm here to have this little world, and I feel like somehow to enjoy the country would be a betrayal of that. I felt a lot more when you talked early in the interview about tensions between different identities. I felt those tensions, and I felt like I'm a partisan in all the sense of the word, on behalf of the Jews that summer. And I think if I could go back now, I think I could look at it with a slightly larger lens. But that being said, I met some really wonderful people, and learned a lot of Yiddish, and it was it was an extraordinary experience.